Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz Challenge. Are you ready to test your brain with 100 exciting questions? From science and history to geography and fun trivia. This quiz is perfect for kids, students, and anyone who loves learning something new. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more fun and engaging quizzes. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. So think fast. Can you get a perfect score? Send your result in the comments. Let's begin.
What is the largest mammal in the world? It is blue whale. How many legs does a spider have? The answer is 8. What is the fastest land animal? The fastest is cheetah. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? The answer is 100 degrees Celsius. What is the national flower of the United States? The correct one is rose. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? And the answer is carbon dioxide. Which element has the atomic number 1? The correct choice is hydrogen. Which composer wrote The Four Seasons? The answer is Vivaldi. Who developed the theory of relativity? Of course, Albert Einstein. What is the hardest rock? And the answer is diamond. Which country hosted the first ever World Cup? The answer is Uruguay. Which gas dominates the atmosphere of the Earth? It is nitrogen. What is the name for a six-sided shape? The correct answer is hexagon. Which city in the world has the highest population? Answer is Tokyo. Who has won the most Grand Slam tennis titles in history? Of course, Novak Djokovic. How many days do we have in a leap year? The answer is 366. What is the capital of Greece? It is Athens. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is Saturn. What is the cyclone center called? The answer is I. Where do the Dutch live? And the answer is Netherlands. What bird is a symbol of peace? The correct answer is dove. The rainbow has how many colors? And the answer is 7. Where did sushi come from? It is China. Which planet is closest to the sun? The answer is Mercury. What is the number of stripes on the American flag? The correct answer is 13. In which city is the Tower Bridge located? And it is London. What is the force that pulls all objects toward the center of the Earth? The correct answer is gravity. Who discovered America? Christopher Columbus. The Olympic flag contains how many rings? And the answer is 5. Who wrote play Romeo and Juliet? He is William Shakespeare. What is the national sport in Japan? It is sumo. What does September mean in Latin? The answer is 7. Which animal has the most forceful bites? And the answer is crocodile. Where two rivers join to form a single channel, what is it called? The answer is confluence. Which of the following countries are located on two continents? The correct answer is Turkey. What ocean is the deepest? The answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the chemical symbol for silver? It is Ag. How long is the Olympic swimming pool? And the answer is 50 meters. What magician served King Arthur's court? One and only Marilyn. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more fun and engaging quizzes. What city is famous for its carnival? It is Rio de Janeiro. Which mythological bird rises from the ashes to regenerate? And the correct answer is phoenix. What is the rarest blood type? The answer is O-. Who is the author of The Godfather? The correct author is Mario Puzo. How many legs does a bee have? And the correct answer is 6 legs. Which country is the world's largest coffee consumers? And the country is Finland. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? It is Japan. Who is the father of communism? correct choice is Karl Marx. Which telescope orbits the planet Earth? The answer is Hubble space. Which kind of metal is the heaviest? The correct answer is lead. Which fruit is mistaken for a vegetable? It is tomato. Which vitamin is primarily obtained from the sunlight? And the correct answer is vitamin D. What is the official language of Brazil? It is Portuguese. With a protractor, what can we measure? And the correct one is angles. Which river is the longest in Europe? It is Danube River. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. Which city is known as the Big Apple? It is New York. In which ocean is the island of Madagascar located? The answer is the Indian Ocean. What sport is it possible to win the Stanley Cup? The correct answer is ice hockey. Which planet is circled by the largest moon in our solar system? The answer is Jupiter. Which country is the birthplace of author J.R.R. Tolkien? The correct answer is New Zealand. Which language has the most words in the world? English. What is the capital of Japan? And it is Tokyo. Who discovered electricity? The answer is Benjamin Franklin. what is a group of woollies called? The correct answer is pack. Where is the Taj Mahal mausoleum located? The answer is India. What type of animal is the penguin? The answer is bird. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world by volume? It is Lake Baikal. Which country is known for creating the anime culture? And it is Japan. Where was Karl Marx born? The correct answer is Germany. What is the main ingredient in bread? The answer is flour. Who is known as the creator of the periodic table? Answer is Dmitry Mendeleev. What is the world's best-selling book after the Bible? And it is Don Quixote. What was the name of Captain Nemo's submarine? The answer is Nautilus. Which city is known as the Eternal City? The correct answer is Rome. Which country did Hitler invade in 1939 in order to start World War II? The answer is Poland. In which year was the United Nations founded? The answer is 1945. How much of the Earth's surface is covered by water? And the answer is 70%. Who is the author of the book, The Capital? The correct answer is Karl Marx. Which country invented the game of chess? And it is India. What does CPU stand for in computing? The answer is Central Processing Unit. What is the currency of Japan? It is yen. What is the State of Liberty holding in her left hand? The answer is a tablet. In which city did Anne Frank hide from the Nazis? And the answer is Amsterdam. What kind of food is the Garfields' favorite? And the correct answer is lasagna. What is a name for a book that includes maps in it? The answer is Atlas. Who is the loyal companion and friend of Sherlock Holmes? And it is Watson. Which empire is known as the largest in history? The correct answer, British Empire. Which country is the largest oil producer in the world? The correct choice is United States. Who is the author of The Three Musketeers? And the answer is Alexander Dumas. Which disease does an infected mosquito spread? And the correct answer is yellow fever. What is the most common blood type? It is O-. What is the chemical symbol of water? The answer is H2O. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? The correct one is silver. What is the national sport in Japan? Sumo is the answer. What is the currency of Russia? It is ruble. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is Saturn. Which river is the longest in the world? It is Nile River. What does the B stand for in USB? Believe or not, the answer is bus. And finally, a musical question. Which country is the birthplace of reggae music? The answer is Jamaica. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more fun and engaging quizzes.